A few minutes later, the sol arrives in my wallet, and we can officially say that we turned 5 sol into 9.89. That's an amazing result, and honestly, I'm very impressed. So, you want to catch the next 100x meme coin before it takes off? Let's be real, most people jump in too late after the hype is over. But what if you could spot a moonshot before everyone else? In this video, you will see exactly how to find early meme coins, analyze their potential, and avoid scams. Stay till the end and you'll get a step-by-step strategy used by pro traders to catch the best plays. Today, I'll be using an automated sniper bot called Snipe. Members of our private community are already seeing great results with it. Let me quickly explain what sniper bots are. Sniper bots are automated trading tools that allow users to buy tokens at the exact moment they become available, often before most traders can react. They scan the blockchain for new liquidity and execute trades in milliseconds, helping traders enter positions early. While they can be highly profitable, it's important to use them very cautiously, as some tokens may be scams or have low liquidity. Now, let's get started. We open the bot, we click start, and a short introduction appears. At the bottom, we press start trading, then press it again, and we're notified that we need to fund our balance and to activate it. We choose a currency and set the desired amount of tokens to the bot. For this example, I'm sending 5 sol. Once the transaction is sent, we confirm by pressing the check mark and wait up to 30 minutes. A few minutes later, my balance updates in the bot. Now I press start trading again twice, and the trading process begins. To minimize risks, I'll only wait 1 hour and then check our results. After 1 hour, we'll withdraw the profit back to my wallet. See you in a bit. It's been a little over an hour, and as you can see, my balance in the bot has nearly doubled. This is an incredible result. Now let's withdraw our earnings. We press the wallet button, select the currency, enter the receiving wallet address, and wait up to 30 seconds or 30 minutes for the bot to process the withdrawal. A few minutes later, the sol arrives in my wallet, and we can officially say that we turned 5 sol into 9.89. That's an amazing result, and honestly, I'm very impressed. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Good luck and happy trading!